What's up everybody, welcome back to another video of Handy Paisa. In this video we're going to be unboxing this 5-ton log splitter I just picked up from Harbor Freight. So let's unbox it and split some logs. I forgot to mention it is a electric log splitter, not gas powered. Alright, in the box we get your owner's manual, and I don't know what this tool is yet. We'll find out soon enough. Alright, so after reading the instructions I found out what that lever is, and it is for to engage the operation of the hydraulic push that goes and gets the logs split. Alright, so how am I going to get this thing out of here? Now it is 100 pounds, so it is probably best to get somebody to help you with it. Alright, there it is. So yeah, definitely get some help to get it out of the box, unless you want to tilt the box to the side and try and get it out. It was much easier with two people. Alright, so we're going to check the hydraulic fluid level, make sure it's good to go, and then we're going to put this thing to the test. So in the package here, you get this lever that goes right here, which engages the operation of the unit, and some sort of busheling to put on your hydraulic fluid dipstick. The hydraulic fluid is, in order to stand it up, you have to take the lever off, or when you stand it, it'll just get crushed. Alright, so here is the dipstick. Looks like the bolt size, it is a 19 millimeter bolt, so I'm using my 19 millimeter combination wrench. Alright, not too hard. You know what? I probably should grab a paper towel. Alright, looks like these are the two lines right here. This is full, this is empty. So, clean it up here. I'm expecting it to be full, but, always double check to make sure. Just because something is new doesn't necessarily mean they did a good quality check. Although, I've had pretty good experience with Harbor Freight stuff. I think we're good. Alright, let's put this thing to the test. Alright, so this little note right here is telling us so basically we need to remove this vent plug so that the hydraulic pressure doesn't damage bushelings inside when we're operating it. So make sure you do not miss this when you're assembling it. It says remove the vent plug, which I don't know if it's going to start spilling hydraulic fluid or what, so I guess we'll find out. I'm just going to loosely take it apart. Maybe we'll take it off. Whoops. We'll plug in the power, and I got some logs to split. We'll move this over to the grass so that we're not making a big mess on the patio. Okay, so putting it down on a flat surface does not look like, after removing that vent plug, no hydraulic fluid coming out, so that's a good sign. Alright, so the instructions said to loosen the vent plug by turning it only 5 times. So don't remove it. Alright, so now that we have it plugged in, it says to hold the power button and push down the lever to operate the machine. So let's give it a try. Alright. It's very loud, so I'm going to put my ear protections on. Alright, so here is the power button, and here's even the instructions. Two-handed operation. So you press this to start the engine, and then you move the lever down to engage the splitting mechanism. Let's put it to the test. Very nice. Make sure your wood is nice and dry before you start splitting it. Very nice. Very impressed with this little machine. So, all right. So, final thoughts. This is I'm impressed. Pretty nice little machine. I was able to split about 20 logs in like 8 minutes. It does quick work of splitting logs. So, definitely recommend picking one of these up if you're on a budget and want to split logs. It's not going to do massive logs, but it was marketed to do 20-inch diameter logs, so pretty decent size logs. So definitely a thumbs up product. So if you're in the market for one of these, I definitely recommend picking one of these up. I ended up getting the 2-year warranty on it. It's a pretty good buy, so I'll keep splitting logs so we can do some fire pit tonight. All right, let me know in the comments if you have one and what you think of it. And if you pick one up, let me know what you think of it. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you like the video, and hit subscribe if you want to see more handy tips. All right, see you all later.